Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We will discuss about one special flight from Muscat to Ghana. There is a special flight from Salam Air which will take off on 5th of September from Muscat to Dubai, then Dubai to Ghana. And almost 40 people will fly from Muscat to Dubai. Then they will take more Ghanaian people from Dubai and it will go to Ghana. So inshallah khair, even still all those people who wish to go back to Ghana, they can contact to their community members, because this is a chartered plane and it's arranged by Ghanaian community in Oman. So still there are seats are available. You can contact to your Ghanaian community and hopefully you will get a chance to go back to your country. So again, the flight will take off from Muscat to Dubai first, and it will take off on 5th of September 6:20 p.m. at evening, and there will be short stay in Dubai, and they will take more Ghanaian people and then they flew to Ghana. So best of luck for everyone, and please don't criticize on my English, because I used to make videos in Urdu only, in our native language. So sometime I used to make English videos. Inshallah khair, in future if I'll keep making English videos, there will be flow in speaking. So please don't criticize and forgive all those mistakes. Inshallah khair, stay blessed. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.